We have heard many times that sugar is not good for health. Let's try to understand science behind it. For this, you need to remember some two terms only, just two. One is INR and another is FOXO3. INR is nothing but insulin receptor and FOXO3 is nothing but it is transcription factor. You can remember this is a transcription factor and this is a receptor. Okay, let's try to understand what's really happening inside our body. So here in our body, there are so many transcription factors like FOXO1, FOXO2 and FOXO3 are present. But for this all process, the FOXO3 is the main role played by the FOXO3. Okay, this is a transcription factor. What really happening here? These FOXO3 is responsible for the metabolic activity, autophagy. Also, it has the ability to do the stress resistance gene activation, and it also responsible for the DNA repair. This is all done by the FOXO3 transcription factor. Whenever you intake lots of sugar, if you are intaking lots of sugar, the concentration of the sugar will increase in your body. So because of the increasing of the concentration of the sugar, what will happen? Body means pancreas will start releasing the insulin. Okay, insulin will get released from the pancreas, and there are many receptors on the plasma membrane which is for the insulin. Here you can see the insulin receptor, INR receptor is present on the plasma membrane. This insulin receptor will come and bind on the plasma membrane, and it will do the activation of some protein inside the cell. After activation of the protein, it will do the AKT pathway activation. This AKT pathway will go and phosphorylate on the FOXO3. So our FOXO3 gets phosphorylate, so it will be get inactive in the condition. If you will see here, the FOXO is get inactive. So what it will be able to do? It can't do anything, right? It can't do metabolic activity, it can't do autophagy, it can't do stress resistance genetic genes activation, or it can't even do the DNA repair system. So this condition will create lots of damage inside your cells. Okay, so your cells once get damaged, then your whole body will start get in the damage process. In this process, the lifespan of the cell will increase. Also, it can increase your whole body lifespan, means your own lifespan also get decrease. So we can see here there are some another organisms like C. elegans, where the DAF2 insulin receptor is present on the plasma membrane. It is inactive, then the DAF16 get in the active condition. It is able to do the cellular lifespan increasing, and it also responsible for the longevity of the organism. Okay, increased by the DAF16. In the mouse condition, we can see IGF-1R insulin-like growth receptor is present, which is present on the plasma membrane. In this mouse, you can see the FOXO transcription factor is present, which is responsible for the increasing of the lifespan of the cell as well as the longevity of the organism. Here you can see in the Drosophila, INR receptor, same like as in the human beings, insulin receptor is present. D-FOXO is present in the Drosophila, which is known as a transcription factor. This is responsible for the cellular lifespan increasing and longevity of the organism increasing. Okay, so here you can say this all are the transcription factors which are responsible for the completely do metabolic activities and the cellular processing and stress resistance genes activation. Also, it is responsible for the autophagy. This all processes done by the transcription factors. If your intake of the sugar is done by any of the organism, what's going to happen? They all will start blocking this all factor DAP, FOXO, D-FOXO, or FOXO3 going to be get blocked by the insulin. If insulin is blocking all of them, then the cellular lifespan will be get decreased and longevity of the organism will also decrease. This is all about the human body biology inside the cells. I hope you understand it. If you have any queries, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section.